Wild animals. The lion eats its meat.
The elephant eats pig and grass. It lives in the grassland.
It eats grass.
It's got two big ears. The crocodile eats its meat. It lives in the river. It's long and green. The zebra eats its leaves and grass. It's got black stripes. It lives on grassland. A monkey eats banana. It's in the tree. It lives in the jungle. The hippo eats pig. It's got 4 legs. The hippo eats rivers in the water. It eats grass.
The giraffe eats long
It eats leaf.
grassland. Snake eats long with no legs. Eats animals. Eats grandchildren.